In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your company phone number in your account settings. Keeping your phone number current ensures clients, team members, and any automated communications can reach you without a hiccup. I'll walk you through each click, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few quick tips so you feel confident making this change in just a minute or two. Start on your main dashboard and move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which opens your settings. Go ahead and click that gear. This icon is your central hub for configuring the details that control how your company information appears and behaves. Once the settings panel opens, look for the company category. Within that area, select Account and Settings. This is the area designed specifically for your business details, billing preferences, and other foundational options. If you see multiple categories in the settings, make sure you're in the one labeled for your company so you're editing the right place. Inside Account and Settings, you'll notice several tabs along the top. Click the Company tab. This tab gathers your core business details. Within it, find the section labeled Company Info. That's where key fields like your company name, address, and phone live. Locate the phone field, and you'll see an Edit option next to it. Click Edit to open the phone number field for changes. Now type in your updated phone number, enter it exactly as you want it to appear, and follow any on-screen formatting hints. If the system expects a specific format, such as including an area or country code, make sure to include it so the number saves correctly. Avoid extra spaces or characters if the field doesn't allow them. Once you've entered the correct number, click Save. After saving, you should see your updated phone number reflected right there in the Company Info section. That's all there is to it. Gear icon in the top right, Account and Settings under the Company category, Company tab, Company Info, edit the phone field, and save your changes. If you don't see the option to edit, it may be due to permissions, and an administrator on your account might need to make this update. Otherwise, your change should apply immediately wherever your company contact details are referenced. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, pause and replay the steps as needed, and you'll have your company phone number updated in no time.